Okay. I have a tiny bit of progress. Because now, instead of her side, she's on her back. Can you get up? I gotta get up. Or at least rotate. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh God, I hate doing this. Can we go, 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 go? Oh, there she goes. She's like a ferret. How you doing? Savvy, are you really that much asleep? Seriously? Come on. Oh yeah, no, I can't wake her up. Oh,